Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Kalyan Sister. I am back with new video. Today I am going to show you how to install Pokemon Diamond. Now let's start installing. First you need to go to Play Store. Then you need to search NDS emulator for Android free. Then scroll down. You can see NDS emulator for Android 6. Click on it. Then you need to install it. I have already installed. Then you need to go to Google. Then you need to search Pokemon Diamond download. Then click on the first link. It is coming, guys. Now you can see it has come. You need to click on the download button. And you can see I have already downloaded Pokemon Diamond. That's why I am not going to download it. After that you need to go to emulator, which we have all just downloaded. After opening it, something like this will come. Then click on the new game. Then you can see Pokemon Diamond. Click on it. I am playing this game, guys. It's